What's going on, internet? Eric Bandholz here with Beardbrand Alliance. Oh man, today I want to help you get your hair looking like a mother effing lion. And I'm also going to tell you about how I got the stain. How'd that happen? You'll find out. Let's go do it. Okay, guys. Let's get a little bit undressed here. I'm going to be doing some hair tutorials for you. So, my hair, like you see it now, this was air dried. Just let it be. I've combed it a little bit, but I haven't applied any kind of product and haven't done any kind of styling, no blow dryer. So what I want to do is show you how you can make your hair look like super 70s, 60s, 80s, whatever generation you're going for. Super rad, super lion-like, super volume, super cool. All right, styling your hair in the studio kind of sucks, but the things I do for you guys, I've got a glass full of water. What I need to do is go ahead and get my hair back to that wet stage. All right, let's get this going. This is going to be wet. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. We're getting nice and wet. Check this out. Ghost comb. Oh my God. Okay, now my hair is wet like I just hopped out of the shower. And this is super simple. All you're going to need is a little bit of sea salt spray. And a little bit of styling balm. And boom. This is my jam, my hair dryer. But what's going to be different, this little thing, we're going to put that on there. That's where this is where the magic happens. So you got to get a hair dryer if you want this look. Got to get one of these doohickeys. First thing, sea salt spray, shake it. Always shake it. There's going to be a little bit of clay at the bottom. That's what makes Beardbrand products unique. And you need to emulsify it. It's like the sands getting churned up in the beach, the waves. That's why we do it. It's the baddest ass product you could get. The sea salt spray. If you don't have this, you're going to be blown away with it. So, don't be shy. You think lions are shy? Get all this up in there. The more the merrier, man. You know you really got it nice and good when you kind of like, you know when the waves crash and they get like all that like foamy action, you can kind of see it in here foamed up. But you'll actually start to get some of that foam in your hair if you get enough in there. Let me see if I can get that for you. Yes. Smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Smells so good. Okay. All right. And we got styling balm, focus. Okay, styling balm. I got real fine hair, so less is always more, even though this is probably more than I normally do. And what we do is we just emulsify it. You know what emulsify means? It means like blend it to nothing. Okay, so you get this. Ooh. My hair is nice and wet. Nice and wet. Almost, I probably should have not gotten it this wet. I should have probably a little bit more of a damp dry. But anyways, this is kind of like hopping out of the shower. This is going to be fun. We're going to get some volume here pretty soon. Okay, now for the fun. This is where, this is pretty much it. You yank that off. Grab your diffuser and, oh yeah. And this is it. I mean, this is, what you're going to see me do is real simple. We get this on our head and we kind of swirl around, and sometimes we'll bend over, trying to create that volume. So the key is kind of like we want to make sure the hair is back, right? We want to make sure it's blowing back. And we want to make sure that we're just kind of like cranking it, crumpling it, zigging it, zagging it. We don't want to like smooth it out at all. So we're trying to create like lion hair, baby. Lion hair. Lions need like lots of volume. You know, like we can always tame it down a little bit later, but you can't tame a lion. You'll see, you can't tame a lion. So let's begin. High heat, And I'm gonna do high speed too. And the reason I do that is because with the diffuser, it doesn't come out as hard. So, it doesn't come out as hard. Anyways, so we can just get it going. Let's begin. What I'm doing now is I'm just kind of like feeling my hair and how wet it is. And as it gets drier, I kind of like move to different areas. So you want to make sure, I always like to use my hands because I can feel it. I can move around. Like this part's still really wet. This part's a lot drier. And I'm going to start focusing on these areas. Boom, yeah. Boom, yeah. Yeah, this is it, baby. This is the freaking volume. This is what I'm talking about. So this is going to be a messy hairdo. It's going to be all over the place. It's going to be flipping and flopping, you know? Like, where are we going to go with it? That way? That way? No, we'll go this way. So to the left. The messier, the better. Man, the more it just looks like, what the heck's going on? It's kind of cooler. Just like, if you want that volume, crank it up. Just, it's still got a little moisture in my hair, but the sea salt spray's got like that grit. It's got that texture. It's feeling really full, voluptuous. You can, I mean, if you want to tame it down a bit, what you can do is you grab this again. I got it. You put the diffuser on. I'll give you a little more refined look if you want to kind of tame it into place, but I don't know. I say you don't do that. Just leave it a little wild. So this, my friends, is the mother effing lion hairstyle. Yeah, you need some good flow. A good mullet will help it look the best, and have fun with it. You know, it's a fun hairstyle. It's kind of like a, you know, like to the right, to the left, back. Y'all want a 360? Here you go. Lion. All right, guys. Hope you enjoy this. Hope you had fun. Hope you guys are rocking some beautiful flow during the quarantine. As always, this has been Eric Bandholz. Cheers. Keep on growing. I broke it. And it's hot. Broke a fuse. How did a feeling that happen? Whoever knew sweat could smell so good? I did, because I've been using Beardbrand's new deodorant. Grab it at beardbrand.com.